So today, got Jaguar XK 2006. It's making a bit of noise on startup, like a ticking noise. Sounds like it's coming from the drive belt, so I'm going to take this cover off here now, see if I can access that. Hopefully be able to see then what the noise is. So I took this cover off now, but as I suspected, no access to the belts down there. So I'm going to remove this pipe now, which means moving this reservoir from here, unscrewing the 10mm there, and then this should come off. Just start it up here now, show you the noise. Oh. Don't think you could hear the noise then. And what I found is, I'm going to show you the crank pulley is deteriorated, so that's what the noise is.